Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the Google app and granting microphone access. This is essential. Next, position yourself in a quiet spot and prepare the melody you want identified. Tap the mic icon and pick, search a song or speak, "What's this song?" Then begin humming. Focus on the core tune, not lyrics. Humming a clear 10 to 15-second phrase helps Google match patterns faster. Once done, watch the app analyze and return candidate matches based on melody only. Once you begin humming, make each phrase steady and centered on the main melody. Short bursts with clear pitch help. If the app returns weak or no matches, repeat with a different section of the song or try singing the tune instead of humming. Sometimes vowel sounds improve recognition. Make sure to pause between attempts and reduce background noise. If results show multiple candidates, compare melodies and sample clips to confirm the correct track before moving on to play. After Google returns matches, tap the most likely result and listen to the preview to confirm. This verifies melody accuracy. Once confirmed, use the provided links to open the song in your streaming app or save it to a playlist. If no good match appears, troubleshoot by humming a longer 20 to 30-second section, changing tempo slightly, or moving to a quieter room. Make sure your mic permission remains enabled and update the Google app if recognition seems consistently unreliable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.